No touching each other before the green flag. Now I'm back here, I'm good.
One lap to green.
May touch people, but before then, do not. Have fun. 50 laps, first one to the finish line wins.
Get ready, going green. Pace car is off.
Going on green, here we go.
Green flag, green flag. Car inside. Still inside. You're in the middle, 3 wide. You're up top, 3 wide.
Superman
You're in the middle,
let's
3
go.
wide. Inside, clear inside. Car inside, clear inside. Go low, go high, go
Damn
high. Inside, clear inside, inside. You're in the middle, 3 wide. Go low. Outside is clear. Car inside, clear, outside, clear. They're showing us the black flag. You didn't exit the pits safely. You have to drive through the pits without stopping. Car inside, clear, car inside, clear. Car stop down low, car stop down low, car stop down low. Car stop ahead, car stop down low, go high, car stop ahead, car stop down low, go low, go high, go high. Slow car ahead, inside, clear inside, inside, car stop down low, still there, clear. The car
Do not drive backwards, do not drive backwards.
Fastest lap, 23.13. Car stopped up high, outside. Car stop down low, clear high. Car stop down low, car stop down low, car stop down low, go high,
Someone
go
flip
high,
me over,
go high.
please.
You're in the top 10. The leader is coming up on you, they're not out fight. The car behind is pitting. Inside,
Oh,
clear.
no.
Car stop down low. Car stop down low, car stop down low, go high. Car inside, car stop down low, still there inside, go high. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap, 23.018, clear outside if you want it. The car in P4 just set the fastest lap, 22.387. Car stopped up high. The leader is running 22.718. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. That car is a lap down. Keep digging. Go high.
Somebody hit the leader.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 7.1 seconds. Car inside.
I can't find him.
That car is a lap down. Outside. Car outside, 2 wide. Clear high. Inside. Clear inside. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. Slow car ahead.
Clear.
The car in P15 just set the fastest lap, 22.28. Car stop down low, car stop down low, car stop down low, go high. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 5.3 seconds. The car in P15 just set the fastest lap. 22.134. Car stopped down low. Car stopped ahead. That was your fastest lap of the session. Car stopped ahead. Go high. Go low. Outside. Clear up top. Car stop down low. Inside. Slow car ahead. Clear inside. Car stopped up high. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 6.3 seconds. Go high. Inside. Clear. That car is a lap down. Car stopped ahead. The car behind is pitting. Go low. The leader is running 23.202.
Yeah,
the car in front is pitting. That was your fastest lap of the session. Go high. Car 12 is up the front. That car is a lap down. Slow car down low. Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Outside. Clear outside. Slow car ahead.
I've never heard
slow car up high. Slow car up high. Car stopped up high. Car stopped up high. Inside. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Car outside. Go low. Car outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Clear outside if you want to. Low car up high. Go low. Car outside. Car stop down low. Clear outside. Outside. Clear high. That car is a lap down. Outside. Clear. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 9.1 seconds. Car stopped up high. Car stopped up high. Car stopped up high. Go high. The car in
Man,
P
an actual
16
race with the
just set the
M5 here
fastest
would be
lap.
awesome.
22.038. Go low. You're gaining on
Find
the car
that
in
leader.
front.
His name
The
is
gap
Ross Baxter.
6.4 seconds.
Yeah, this race has been insane. Hope you guys are enjoying.
That car is a lap down. Go low. The leader is coming up on you. They're not our fight. That car is a lap down. That car is a lap down. The leader just did a 23.943. That car is a lap down. Car outside. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 4.2 seconds. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. That car is a lap down. Car stopped ahead. Low car up high. Car stopped up high. Car stopped down low. The car in front is pitting. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped down low. Car stopped down low. Go high. Go high. Go high. That car is a lap down.
Billy?
That car is a lap down.
What did I do? Just stay away!
Car inside. The leader is coming up on you. They're not at fight. Clear.
Be clear my black
Still there.
flag.
Inside. Clear.
Thanks, man.
Low car up high. Go low. Outside. Clear up top. Car inside. Clear inside. Inside. Still there. Clear. Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go high. Car inside. Go low. Go low. Outside. Outside is clear. That car is a lap down. Car 16 has taken the lead. That car is a lap down. Car stopped ahead. Slow car down low. Car stopped up high. The leader just did a 23.264. Car stopped down low.
Attaboy, Chris.
Car stopped up high. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. Car stop down low. Go high. Go low. Go low. Go low. That car is a lap down. Coming up on halfway here. Outside. Clear outside if you want.
Still Ryan Bunnell.
Outside. Clear. The leader is coming up on you. They're not at fight. Car stopped ahead. That car is a lap down. Outside. Clear high. Car stopped ahead. That car is a lap down. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 3.5 seconds. Car 16 has taken the lead. That car is a lap down.
Yeah, I'm gonna need my black cleared in a second.
Inside. Clear. The car in front of you
He's back,
is in
Chris.
position. Go get him. Inside. Clear inside. Car outside. Still there. Hold your line. Car stop down low. Outside. Clear. Car stop down low. Car stop
And
down low.
one more.
Car stopped up high. Car outside. Clear high. Clear. Go low. Inside. Stay high. Clear inside. Low car up high. Car stopped 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 up high. Go low. Car outside.